Mani with your science class today. Before we get started, just the recommendations. Remember, if you need to leave your home, wear a pair of gloves, a mask, and don't forget to use your hand sanitizer. Now for our science class, I made a presentation for you guys so we can review everything that we learned about matter. And this presentation reviews all of the most important things about matter. So here we go. But first, let's see if you can guess this riddle. Before I am born, I am a liquid. When I am alive, I am a solid. When I die, I am a gas. What am I? Think, guys, think. I'm going to give you 10 seconds so you can think what is the answer to this riddle. Okay? Before I am born, I am a liquid. When I am alive, I am a solid. When I die, I am a gas. What am I? Here's the answer. A bubble. Yes, I know you guys like bubbles. You like to play with bubbles. And a bubble, before it is born, it is a liquid. When it is alive, it is a solid. And when it dies, it turns into a gas. So, a bubble. Okay, let's get to class. What is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. For example, milk, a Coke, a bell, some balloons, a pen, a hot air balloon, books, and a pear. They are all matter. Now, what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Here you see two balls. One is a beach ball, a colorful beach ball. The next one is a bowling ball. But one is heavier than the next. The bowling ball is heavier because it has more mass. And the beach ball has less mass, so it's lighter. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. Now, what are some properties of matter? Some properties of matter are color, shape, size, and texture. As you can see here in our book, we have the properties of matter. Color, shape, size, and texture. What are the three states of matter? Describe them. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. A solid is the only state of matter that has its own shape. A liquid is the state of matter that takes the shape of its container. And a gas is a state of matter that fills all the space in its container. And as you can see here in the picture, the solid is an ice, the liquid is a drop of water, and then the gas is a bubble that just died. Now our last question is, what is water vapor? Water vapor is water in the form of a gas. And we can see here the vapor coming out of the kettle when the water heats up. Now for today's work, I want you to go to page number 359 in your book. It looks like this. And to complete this page, the instruction says to write the word for each clue. Fill in the missing numbers in the table and then decode the message. I will do the first one for you so you can have an idea of what you have to do. So, number 1 says, takes the shape of its container. You write your answer here, letter for letter on each line. The next one says, water in the form of a gas. You write your answer here, letter for letter. Number 3 says, amount of matter in an object. You write your answer. Number 4 says, fills all the space of its container. Now, I will help you with number 2. What water in the form of a gas? It's water vapor. So we write vapor. 1 letter on each space. V-A-P-O-R. Now, we're going to use this to fill in the table with the numbers. Letter V is 15. So we write 15 in the letter V. Here. Now, letter A is 11. Let's fill in the table up here. Letter A is 11. So we fill in the table. Now, what do we have to do after we fill in the table? We have to complete now the rest of the words. For example, wherever you see the letter A, the number 11, you will write the letter A. For example, here. Where else do I see another 11? Here. Where else do I see another 11? Here. And there's more 11s, and we have to fill all of them up with the letter A. Here I did another one for you, down here. And you can see that now our message is taking shape. So you have to do the same thing with the rest of the letters and numbers in the table. So good luck. I hope you enjoy doing your work today. And don't forget to take a picture and send it to me to my WhatsApp. Bye.